Hello everyone, my name is Ramsai. Today I'm explaining about my cloud serverless project, which is to-do or reminder service application. So let's get started. So these are the contents which I am going to explain, the description and architecture of the application and services used to complete the application and the working and output of the application. So basically the description of the project is that any user wants to remind their meetings or any some other activities. So using our application, they can register their reminders. So on that day, on that particular day, they will get the notification to their email. The application is developed using the Amazon Web Services. So I use different types of services to complete this project. This is the architecture for the reminder application. First of all, AWS Amplify is used to front end. So in using the API gateway, Amazon API gateway, the data which is collected from the AWS Amplify to the web application that will send to the AWS Lambda with the help of Amazon API gateway. Using the Lambda, we will store the data into the Amazon DynamoDB to store the dates and the reminders of the particular user. So after that, on that particular day, on that date, so user will get the email by using the service Amazon SCS. So AWS CloudWatch is used to trigger the AWS Lambda every day to send the notifications on that particular day. So these are the services used for this project: Amplify, API Gateway, Lambda, DynamoDB, SCS, and CloudWatch. So first of all, AWS Amplify. AWS Amplify is a front-end development platform in which we can deploy our HTML file. A single file only we can deploy with the CSS. So after that, AWS Lambda is a serverless computing platform provided by AWS to code to run the code and without managing the servers. So API Gateway is a fully managed service provided by AWS. So to manage and secure APIs at any scale and making it easy to connect applications to data and services. So DynamoDB is a NoSQL database server which is used to store the data into the DynamoDB. AWS SES is a simple email service which is used to sending the emails to the users by which the emails are verified only. We can send the emails to the particular user. So CloudWatch is used to monitoring the activities and we can add the schedules, we can add the rules to the CloudWatch to trigger any service. So working will be, we will be seeing working as a output. So I am sharing. So first of all, we have to deploy our application, which is the reminder service in the AWS Amplify. After the deployment is successful, we can get the link, which is the domain. So this is the reminder service application. We can give the details like email, name, and the date to be notified on the reminder and the reminder which is to be mentioned. So we can set the reminder by using these details. After that, from this form, so we can send the data to the Lambda function. This is the Lambda function. So this is the Lambda function. So which is the details can be sent by the AP through the API gateway. So here we are deployed the Amazon API gateway for the Lambda function. So we by using the post method, we will get one URL. So that URL is given in the this application front end code. So after that, the Lambda function is set. The details will be stored in the table. This is the DynamoDB console. So these are the values to which the it is stored in the DynamoDB table. So after that, using the rules for the CloudWatch, we can schedule that reminder service for 24 hours. Every day after 24 hours, exactly at 12 o'clock. So the database will check the Lambda function, which is written here, will check the database for that date, which is particularly matching to that current date. So if the date is matched for all the emails, so it can send the email like this. So we can see the demo. So here I am giving the email. So this is my email. I'm giving the name and date of the reminder, April 14th, and the reminder is meet with HOD. So this is the reminder I'm setting. So if you are a new user, then we have to verify the email, or else you can't get the email. So this is the a message from the AWS. So greetings from MRS services. Please verify your email, or else you don't get the reminders. So this is the email ID. So we have to verify that email. So we are clicking OK. So this is the email that we got. We have to verify the email. This is the verification link. So here getting the successful message. Congratulations, we have successfully verified the email address. So after that, if we are refreshing the DynamoDB also, it is taking some time. So the email ID is added just now. This is the reminder for the 14th April. So after that, database will check the date for the April 14th. For every day, it is checking that by triggering this CloudWatch event. So it will go to this Lambda function. After that, it will check all the dates in this DynamoDB table. If the date and current date is matched, then the user will get the email to that particular date with the reminder notifying them. So uh, for example, user will get the email. User will get the email like this, meet with HOD. So finally, user will get by using the simple web application, user will get the notification for the reminders at any time. So this is my project, but by using the AWS serverless architectures. So thank you.